Sorry guys, my alarm that y'all were coming back from activity knocked the video off. Okay, so we have 6 divided by 1/3. We make our whole number a fraction by placing it over 1. We slide over our first fraction. We flip or get the reciprocal of the second, and then we multiply. So we have 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 1 is 1. And any number over 1 is itself. On the next one, we have 1/2 divided by 8. So we know we make our whole number a fraction by placing it over 1. When we're dividing fractions, we slide our first fraction on over, and we flip or get the reciprocal of the second, and then we multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 8 is 16. And the last one, 1/4 divided by 6. We make the whole number a fraction by placing it over 1. When we're dividing fractions, we slide over the first. We flip or get the reciprocal of the second, and then we multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 6 is 24. And now let's see if these are reasonable. If I had 2 whole ones and then I divided it up into little fifths, does it make sense that my answer was higher than the 2 I started with? Yeah, because if I took those 2 and I divided it up more times, then I know that it's going to be a higher number. Same thing with number 2. It makes sense if I had 6 of something and I split it up into little thirds, then I would have more pieces than I started with. C, my answer turned out to be a fraction, and that makes sense. If I only have a half of something to start with, and then I split that up 8 more times, then I have 1/16. And the last one, again, if I only had a fourth of something to start with, and then I had to divide that fourth up 6 more times, it makes sense that I have a smaller fraction than I started with. Because remember, on a fraction, if they have the same numerator, the bigger the bottom, the lower the value. Okay, so this is everything that will be covered on your test Wednesday. So make sure that you go over this, go through it, slow it down, stop it, watch it every how many times you can stand me, and good luck.